don't have to eat.
I am back.
I also kind of want to rejoin swimming again. Monty, you can't whine and then get Whitney as soon as you whine. You gotta wait.
You're so cute, Monty.
Oh, so cute. Maybe I should teach you home, baby.
Wait, your dog watches TV?
Yep.
Epic.
Do you wanna?
What's your favorite show, man? What's your
He
favorite
likes
show?
the Big Bang Theory. Do you wanna go?
Seems like everyone likes the Big Bang Theory lately.
Dude, I should take him home. He's a little upset. He doesn't deserve to be tied up. Like, it's not fair.
Yeah. Will you be back?
I don't know, depending.
Okay.
It all depends, really, if my mum will let me. But I'm going swimming at 7 to 9. Do you want to come to that?
I'll see if I can, but I probably won't be able to.
Why not?
Because my dad's an idiot. And he doesn't like me hanging out with friends.
What's the problem with people? What's the problem with dads being idiots? Just saying. Yeah, like Alicia's dad's an idiot. Your dad's an idiot.
Well, my dad's not an idiot. He just wants me to be safe.
I know.
And he doesn't like me staying out late. So.
Now you say goodbye to your friends.
Monty. Bye, Monty. I love you, Monty. I'll see you later, Monty.
Well, yeah, I gotta go.
Okay.
He's getting really upset, and I don't like seeing him upset. Okay? Alright, Monty.
Looks like he likes your cell phone, Liz.
Alright,
Bye, Monty.
Bye, Monty. Bye.
Bye.
I'm back though, right?
I'm off.
Okay.
I love you.
Awkward.
See, my legs are open. I love you! I'm not wet this time, don't worry. And I am recording. The last video lasted for 10 minutes and 10 seconds.
I did?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And we even went into Max and I got my Slurpee. See? Even got whipped cream in it.
How do you get whipped cream? You can get whipped cream in a Slurpee?
No. We bought whipped cream and put it in our Slurpees, and it's absolutely freaking delicious.
Not working.
Don't worry, we'll come back, because we love you, Alicia. Oh crap, my zipper's done. My zipper's undone. Alicia, my zipper's undone.
I know, I told you that.
I just got raped.
Oh, that's totally rape, don't you think? You're totally a nigger, man. Look at this. This pasty white skin is totally black.
Oh yes, man.
Zip it up, okay.
This is awkward.
Ah! Right.
And I'm doing this in front of people.
Bam! I'm trying to zip it up, man. Excuse me. Excuse me.
It's really
Nuts. It's not zipping up. Oh, seriously. She's back.
What?
whatever.
Hello. All the rest.
I love you.
Give back my. Ow!
What does everyone want to do? I'm bored and I
Everyone tries to hurt me. Ow!
Let's go to the water park.
Oh god. Ow!
Oh, weird.
Ow! Oh! That's for hurting me. Water park it is. Oh god.
I started texting her and she. I'm at the rec center.
Ow! It's white.
Home and then you go
It's
back.
freaking white.
I had to take like a whole like
I think that's just your leg.
ride uphill to get to my house. That was all
Ow!
terrifying.
I hurt. Let's go to the water park. Okay, you know what?
Wait, you got your Slurpee.
Oh yeah.
I don't want
That
it.
was my morning Slurpee.
I gave it to you.
Afternoon Slurpee. Now put it down.
Move your bottom, please. Yeah. No. I'm good. I don't want to die today. Now my back hurts. Ugh. Ow! My back hurts! Killing her! Killing that son of a beep! Yeah. Wasn't gonna swear there. Even though I was swearing before. But I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill that fucking bastard. Oops. I am. Are you fucking nuts? Why do you think I went back and got swimming suit on? Probably should have kept the same stuff on, but yeah. I like wasting clothes. I'm gonna kill you, Alicia! I'm gonna kill you.
What's bullshit? Yo, mama's bullshit.
BAM! Ow! My leg and my back.
Okay, I'm saying this. Jason's never pathetic.
Actually, he is.
Yeah, but I'm a girl and I'm 13.
Church.
He's like 7
Church.
dude who has superpowers.
Give Whitney a hug.
Why?
She hurts.
It's okay. That was really weird.
That was.
Anybody going to teen night? Because I might be.
What?
Anybody going to teen night? Because I might be.
I think I'm going.
I'm going
Tonight?
to tonight. No.
No, Friday? I'm not here.
I wasn't going to be, but my mom just like all of a sudden decided that we're not going to
Ow.
Saskatchewan at all.
At all?
At all.
Well, I'm not here Saturday, so Friday's the last day you'll see me.
No, but it's like running still.
So we do need to have a sleepover.
Yeah, Saturday's the last day you'll see me.
Ah, these are wet. Why are they wet and full of fuzz?
You want me to bring you back something?
Yes, I would.
Where are you going anyway?
I brought you a keychain.
Where are you going?
Look at the
I'm going all over the world!
Really?
fuzz all over the
I wonder what the fuzz is from.
washing machine. I didn't put them in the dryer, so now they're washing machine. Inappropriate. They're washing machine. I'm just gonna wear these shorts, I think.
Planking! Frickin' planking!
I've been like this for like 30 minutes.
Plank.
Ow, my fucking hand!
Raping her. Luckily, there's no one here to see you fail. Run it up, cowboy!
That's